Before you even think about booking your next flight, you need to hear this, because one overlooked rule in 2025 could wreck your entire trip. Every 60 seconds, 47 travelers get blindsided by new airport rules they never saw coming. Last week, a grandmother from Phoenix missed her grandson's wedding because her harmless hoodie triggered an AI alert. Meanwhile, a business executive in Chicago got slapped with $150 in surprise fees at the gate for a bag that passed check-in just fine. These aren't isolated incidents. Airlines and TSA have quietly rolled out changes that could cost you time, money, or even your whole vacation. Tonight, I'm exposing 8 hidden airport secrets that travel insiders don't want you to know, and wait until you see number 1. Let's dive in. Let's begin with number 8. Your face is now your boarding pass. Most airports have quietly replaced paper tickets with facial recognition scanners, but airlines won't warn you about the glitches. These AI systems struggle with recent haircuts, new glasses, or even different makeup from your passport photo. When the scanner fails to recognize you, security immediately flags you for enhanced screening. Here's your insider move. If your appearance has changed since your last passport photo, arrive an extra 45 minutes early and bring a backup photo ID. Airlines are required to have manual override procedures, but gate agents won't advertise this option. Pro tip: wear similar makeup and hairstyle as your passport photo on travel day. It's not vanity, it's strategy. Think facial scans are invasive? The clothing rules will shock you even more. Number 7. AI now judges your outfit. Your cozy travel outfit could cost you an hour in secondary screening. New AI-powered scanners flag suspicious clothing patterns. Layered hoodies, cargo pants with multiple pockets, chunky sneakers, and even underwire bras. The system treats comfort as a security threat. One business traveler learned this the hard way when her favorite travel cardigan, with metal buttons, triggered 3 separate alerts. She missed her connection and paid $400 to rebook. Smart travelers dress like they're heading to a business meeting, not a Netflix marathon. Stick to thin layers, minimal metal, and streamlined silhouettes. Pro tip: pack comfort clothes in your carry-on and change after security. Your stress levels will thank you. But wait, your suitcase itself might not even make it past the gate. Number 6. Smart luggage is getting dumber. That high-tech suitcase with built-in charging ports? TSA now considers it a security risk. If the battery isn't removable, your bag stays behind. Period. Even worse, some airports are quietly banning zippered luggage entirely because zippers can be opened with a ballpoint pen and resealed without trace. Airlines won't announce these changes until you're standing at check-in, watching your $300 smart bag get rejected. Your move: before every trip, verify your luggage meets current TSA battery rules. Consider upgrading to zipperless cases with combination locks. They're harder to tamper with and won't trigger security algorithms. Pro tip: always pack a collapsible backup bag in case your primary luggage gets flagged. Speaking of surprises, airports are going silent in ways that could strand you. Number 5. Silent airports equal missed flights. European airports are eliminating boarding announcements to reduce noise pollution, but they forgot to mention this policy to travelers. No gate changes, no final boarding calls, no last chance warnings. Amsterdam alone reports 12% more missed flights since going quiet. Noise-canceling headphones make you invisible to any emergency notifications. One couple missed their honeymoon flight in Zurich because they were reading books with headphones on. 0 audio alerts reached them. Download your departure airport's official app and enable push notifications for your specific flight. Check gate monitors every 10 minutes, especially during delays. Pro tip: set phone alarms for 30 minutes before boarding time as your personal backup system. If you made it this far, smash that like button and subscribe. The next secrets get expensive fast. And trust me, tip number 4 could quietly drain $150 before you even board. Number 4. Gateway ambush fees are back. Budget carriers have weaponized gateside weight checks. Just minutes before boarding, gate agents target travelers with suspicious carry-ons and demand instant payment for overweight bags. No negotiation, no second chances. Pay up or stay behind. Spirit Airlines hit one family with $75 per bag fees at the gate, turning their cheap flight into a $400 nightmare. The bags pass check-in but fail the surprise gate inspection. Redistribute weight before reaching the gate. Load heavy items like chargers, books, and electronics into jacket pockets. Your clothing isn't weighed, but your bag is measured to the ounce. Pro tip: weigh your packed carry-on at home using a luggage scale, then subtract 2 pounds for safety margin. Number 3. Your laptop's temperature matters now. TSA introduced thermal scanners that flag electronics running even slightly warm. Your perfectly legal laptop can trigger a heat alert if it's been processing files, charging, or simply running background updates. Older devices and high-performance electronics get targeted most. A photographer at LAX spent 45 minutes in secondary screening because his camera equipment registered unusual heat signatures. Nothing was wrong. The gear was just doing its job. Power down all electronics completely 30 minutes before security. Don't just close the lid or hit sleep mode. Full shutdown lets internal components cool to room temperature. Pro tip: pack a small portable fan in your carry-on to cool equipment quickly if you're running late. The liquid rules everyone knows? They've mutated into something far more confusing. Number 2. The 311 rule died, but nobody told you where. New CT scanners allow larger liquid containers at some airports, but here's the trap. Only certain security lanes have the upgraded technology. Step into the wrong line with your 500 milliliter sunscreen, and the TSA will confiscate it under old rules. Even at airports with new scanners, international connecting flights might still enforce 311 limits. One traveler lost $60 worth of skincare products because her domestic departure allowed large containers, but her international connection didn't. Research your specific departure and arrival airport scanner status before packing. When in doubt, stick to travel sizes. The rules are evolving too slowly to trust completely. Pro tip: pack liquids in clear, easy-access pouches so you can quickly adapt to whatever scanner technology you encounter. But here's the real game changer that puts you in the express lane while others wait for hours. Number 1. Biometric fastpass programs turn you into a VIP. While most travelers wait in security lines for nearly an hour, those enrolled in programs like Clear, TSA PreCheck, and Global Entry are through in less than 8 minutes, using facial recognition and fingerprint scans. The real secret? You can combine these programs for even faster results. Use Clear for instant ID checks, TSA PreCheck to skip the shoes and belt hassle, and Global Entry to breeze through customs. It takes just 10 minutes online to enroll, costs under $200, and covers you for years. One frequent traveler says she saves over 6 hours per trip using all three, practically gaining a whole extra vacation day. Pro tip: enroll in the highest tier available for your travel needs, then work backward. Global Entry includes TSA PreCheck automatically. So, which of these 8 insider secrets do you think will save you the most airport stress this year? Is it the new Biometric fastpass, the clothing trick, or maybe something else entirely? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Your advice could help another traveler, and I'll pin the best response. If this guide helped you stay ahead of all the new airport changes, show your support with a like and a quick subscribe. It really helps us keep these travel secrets coming your way. And if you want to avoid surprises at security, don't miss our next video. 9 everyday items TSA banned in 2025. Some of these new restrictions are wild, and you'll want to be prepared before your next trip. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next one.